What's up guys, this is Joshtik here, and today we're going to have the unboxing of JSW1688 Smartwatch. Let's go. Okay guys, so again, welcome back to my channel, and today is what we have here is the JSW1688 Smartwatch that I got from Shopee. And it has another name also. The name is American Style Aqua Fit Smartwatch Band. So actually it's my first time to unbox with this kind of packaging. So it has an elongated style. So in front you can see here the smartwatch, the back, and on the sides. So let's try to open it. Alright. Okay, so let's just set it aside. Okay, so upon opening it, so there is still another box here in black, and it really feels good. So let's try to open it here. Ta-da! We have here in the box, so we have here the manual, so the JSW1688 wristband instructions. So as you can see here, it's in English, and we also have here, yes, yeah guys, it's just all in English, which is good, so we can understand it better than another language. So another one is we have here the also the cable, okay, the charging cable. And actually this is my first time to have this kind of charger. So usually I always have the micro USB, but in this one it's just like the nodes, as they said, so which is interesting. Okay, and we also have here now that we have here the watch. Wow, it looks good. Okay, and yeah, it's not bad for the price, and the strap really looks premium, looks and feels premium. So let's try to wear it to see if how good it feels. So it actually lots of holes here so that you can adjust it according to your wrist size. Okay, so it's really nice. Okay, and let's try to have the initial impression. And yeah, it's really good. You get the back, you can hear, I think this is the charging area. So this is the node here from our cable, and maybe let's just place it, in its magnet. Yes, so it's interesting. So let's try to turn it on. Okay guys, so I actually tried to charge it for just a couple of minutes, and it's actually here. So this is the home menu, and we can, okay, maybe we can try to scroll. Yeah, we can scroll just up and down, and you can see there walking, sleep, music, weather, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, sport, camera, find phone, alarm, timing, and settings. Okay, so overall I can say that this phone is really looks nice, and it's good, I think. Yes, so I'm going to have the full review of this watch soon, and then I will let you know if this is good or not. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Again, this has been Josh, and I will see you guys soon.